So good afternoon. Mostly from tomorrow I'll be starting environment new. Mali kotta start chesanu fresh ka. Sir is not able to come. Why sir? What was the issue? Okay. So Mali basics nunchi I'll be starting. Done? Okay. For today, open the paper. If charging is not there, share with some others. Or else ikkadaina display avutundi kada. Okay. So this is Delhi edition paper. Enduku Delhi edition తీసుకుంటాను అంటే one of the main reason is in your Hyderabad edition they'll not be giving text and context on a regular basis. But here text and context and opinion column will be given on a regular basis. That is why I chose Delhi edition instead of Hyderabad or any other editions. So మీరు follow అయ్యేటప్పుడైనా సరే when you are following, do refer to Delhi edition. Clear? So as before discussed, you know, everyone knows how to see the newspaper. What topics should we pick up from the newspaper? As by now everyone is aware. Is that so? Yes or no? No. Some people do not know how to pick up from the newspaper. Gradually let's learn, because it's already have been completed to others. Okay, let's learn. Like when we discuss, you'll be learning that. Clear? What is your name? Punit. Okay, fine. So first, can you see your newspapers? Yes. In first page, what is the important topic? Something government is saying to whom? Meta on child sexual abuse ads. What is Meta? When you open your Instagram, can you able to see Meta something on Ostumi? Facebook, Meta. Again, what is this all about? Some social media platforms. Now, what is government saying to Meta? మీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్లో చైల్డ్ సెక్షువల్ అబ్యూస్ గురించి కొన్ని అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. We are able to see some advertisements regarding child sexual abuse. So please be careful and remove those advertisements. Now, what is an advertisement here? If you want to advertise about yourself, will the platform simply give the advertisements? Now, what will you do? You have to pay for those advertisements. When you're paying something to me, shouldn't I know about you? Yes, the government question Meta or such platforms like Instagram, it is government question. What did it question is, you are getting some charges from advertisements. So that means you should know something with respect to those advertisements. Like what is the content in that advertisement? Without checking anything, what you have done. That is the question asked by the government for those platforms, for those social media accounts. Clear? That is the whole issue happening. Now, what is the one more issue with regards to this is, now, Instagram is providing some ad. If I click on that advertisement, it is going to Telegram. Recently, there were many issues with regards to Telegram also. Telegram has been banned. Why so? It's not completely banned. Temporarily, it has been banned. Why so? In context of question paper leakages. That is, example is your NEET leakage. Now, the same thing is happening again. It's not leakage this time, but sharing of videos, sharing of images. Whose images? Child sexual offences related videos. Okay, that is the context. That is the news. Understood? In Instagram, there are such advertisements which are related to child sexual abuse or sexual offences with regards to the child. Government has been interfered. Okay, the Ministry of Information and Technology has been interfered and gave these guidelines to the Meta. Please do take care. Okay. I think ikkada what is the important thing is, can you able to see something called child sexual exploitative and abuse material? Are you able to see that word? What is that? loud andaru okkasari read it out. What it means? Content which is what? ఇది AA papers, that is what like where you can relate this topic is in which part of your syllabus is in GS2 and GS3. GS3 with regards to your security purposes, and in GS2 with respect to governance, government policies and digital regulation. And also in GS1 component you can correlate with your society part. Clear? Children is child, it is very important for your UPSC. Okay, now let's learn about this. Child sexual exploitative and abuse material. What it means? Can you understand by image? Okay, manchi image is displayed, right? Can you understand anything with regards to this image? What you're able to understand? Sexual content of a child. ఇంతకు ముందు ఇది పాక్స్ యాక్ట్ కింద చైల్డ్ పోర్నోగ్రఫీ అనేది ఉండేది అన్నట్టు. Okay, now Supreme Court has been said that it's not child pornography, it is related to child. That means when a child is getting exploited, then those things is coming from your videos, in the form of videos, in the form of images, in the form of live streaming and audio gani elanti things aina sare, when it is coming out, don't use it as a pornography. And with respect to child pornography, child is not doing any pornography related content. Okay, who is doing? Someone is recording and someone is sharing. Yes. So Supreme Court has been changed the word child pornography into, what is it? Child sexual exploitative and abuse material. Can you see the definition, what it means? Are you able to understand? Done? Now you tell. If it is going into social media, okay, what is happening? Like if it is coming to me, will I delete? Will I delete or will I share? What is the human tendency? Share. The matter is with single person, but when I am sharing it, it is going for multiple persons. Now what will happen? What is the impact on society? What is impact on the child? Questions ilane kada adugutaru. Question, if it is asking from UPSC point of view, what is the question is, write about this, discuss about this thing, and simply he will ask, what is the impact on society from societal perspective, and what are the issues, what is the way forward, what are the challenges, what is the government doing? All in one, these are the things where UPSC focuses. Clear? Ardhamautunda? Can you understand Telugu? A little? Completely no. Okay, fine. Are you able to understand? What is the issue? Ippudu oka question, ante question ela rayali anesi, if a question is given in UPSC, how to write, what to write, I have displayed on the board and I have sent it to you also. As discussed before, daily 2 questions, we have thought of writing 2 questions, right? One is from current affairs and one is from static. For old students, confined to this, for new students, start answer writing in a very minimal basic way from your current affairs. That is from your newspaper. Are you getting? Okay, now you tell, when a video is shared, okay, are you part of that punishment or not? Yes, because the thing, it should, ante evar daggara aithe okkar daggara undalo, now we are sharing to everyone. So you are also part of that punishment. Okay, it is shared. Fine. Now what is the impact created in the society? Distress in society. Example. What kind of distress? Substantiate it. Substantiate it. Distress in the society. Fine. What kind of distress? What are the impacts on society or impact in the society will be created when such videos or audios or images will be shared? Think. Child safety. What is child safety here? No. Safety annaru. What is safety? What kind of safety measures you have to provide to a child and why you have to provide? Why? What is society getting? Sorry, impact గురించి తర్వాత ఆలోచిద్దాం. What is society getting if you share such videos? Nothing. Whose life is getting disturbed? A child life. Now, what is impact on society? Think. One is social distress. What is social distress? Somewhere, see, who are citizens of India? Who are citizens of India? Who are citizens of India? We? All of a sudden we have got over 21 years of age? No, right? We have come from that childhood itself. Okay. Now, what kind of impact will it be created on the society? Whoever are the future generations will not come out due to this trauma. Yes. The next, the entire generation will be spoiled. Now, when you see some Gen Z kids, what is your opinion? Society has become so judgmental nowadays. You do anything, it will be in social media and you start judging. Today, no courts are giving any punishments. You are creating some trauma. Everyone. In the form of comments. మన ఏదైనా వీడియో వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ వీడియో ఓపెన్ చేయాలా లేదా మొత్తం చూడాలా అనేది who decides? Comment section. Yes, true or not? And we are part of that. We do comment and we do see that. Okay, so the same way. This is the impact. Can you read out for me? Stop. Psychological impact. What is the kind of psychological impact a child will have? Mental trauma. Will she come out? No. Has a complete life is spoiled? Parents. Do you think will parents support sometimes? It's not always yes and it's not always no. When questions are asked, these points you have to mention. With respect to societal perspective, society GS1 lo adiginappudu, these points you have to mention. GS2 lo adiginappudu, how we have to answer, let's see that also. One is psychological trauma. Next, victimization cycle. That is, everyone will poke the child that some mistake you have done. There is no mistake of child, but you know the society how it judges. Clear? Third, dehumanization. What is dehumanization? No one will talk with them properly. What will happen? The same. Everything leads to a depression and maybe sometimes cause of the death. Yes. The fourth one? Social impact. Can you able to remember? Can you able to write? Will you write? What is the impact on society with respect to this? On child? Psychological impact. She'll not able to study properly. She'll not able to go out. It leads to depression. Victimization. What is victimization? Point outing a child. Even her mistake is not there. We point out at her. Not only with child, even women related issues also. Third, dehumanization. Fourth, social impact. Raskokandi, this is already given in your PDF. It is already shared in your group. This is with respect to society. Now, if the question is asked, what kind of governmental policies have been implemented? క్వశ్చన్ ఇదే కదా అడుగుతారు. వాట్ ఆర్ ది గవర్నమెంట్ పాలసీస్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్? Can you see this legal framework in India? One is POCSO and one is talking about your Information Technology Act 2000 and other is talking about your Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. What is POCSO Act? Chala salu it is in your news. Yes, many a times already POCSO Act is being covered in class also. What is POCSO Act? Minor children? Okay. Child sexual harassment. Now, who is a child? Recognized in your constitution? Who is a child? Below 18 years. 18 years వాళ్ళని? 18 or 18 below? 18 is also considered as minor or no? No? 18 is minor. నేను అడుగుతున్న క్వశ్చన్ అది. ఈజ్ 18 కన్సిడర్డ్ as మైనర్ ఆర్ ఖచ్చితంగా 18 బిలోనే ఉండాలా? ఎస్, హూ ఎవర్ ఇస్ కంప్లీటింగ్ 18 is considered as an adult. Clear? For your UPSC also you should complete 21 years or 21 na? Entering into 21 is your registered age. Now what is POCSO Act? Protection of child sexual, protection of child from your sexual offences is your POCSO Act. This is a gender neutral. Ante enti ante not only for girl child, it is applicable also for your boy child also. Clear? And ఈ POCSO లోనే మనకి చైల్డ్ పోర్నోగ్రఫీ అనే వర్డ్ ఉండేది, దట్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ షిఫ్టెడ్. క్లియర్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్. అండ్ ఒక్కసారి లీగల్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద లీగల్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ ఇన్ ఇండియా విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు చైల్డ్ అనేది చూద్దాం. దిస్ ఆల్ యూ కెన్ లెర్న్, బట్ ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు రిమెంబర్ దిస్. అండ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ దిస్, ద మోస్ట్ ఫండమెంటల్ థింగ్ that is violating is your Article 21 with respect to that child. Right to privacy is getting disturbed. Right to life is getting disturbed. Clear? These all things if you mention in your answer writing, it makes a good answer. Clear? Done? This is all about that issue. Can you repeat it for me again? What is the issue? What happened? Saina cheppa em jarigindi? What is the issue? No. Sainath. Shriram anli. Sainath ane anna. వెనకాల అతన్ని అడుగుతున్నా. ఇష్యూ ఏంటి చెప్పు. పర్లే చెప్పు, తెలుగులోనే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయి. నీకు ఏమర్థమైందో చెప్పు. నో? వై? చెప్పడం ప్రాబ్లమా, అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదా? ఆర్ యూ నాట్ లిసనింగ్? నేను నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు ఆన్సర్ 3 things. ఏంటా 3 things? మీరు సరిగ్గా వినట్లేదు. సెకండ్ థింగ్, నేను సరిగ్గా చెప్పట్లేదు. థర్డ్ థింగ్, అర్థం కావట్లేదు. ఎస్, డి, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ది అబవ్. సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోలేదు ఒకటి. ఎందుకు వినలేదు? వై ఆర్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు లిసన్? చెప్పు సాయినా. నాకు కూడా జోక్ చెప్పండి, నేను నవ్వుతా. నాకు కూడా సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమర్ ఉంది. సరే, టేక్ ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్ దిస్. Whoever is present, they have to submit the questions. Will you write? Child sexual exploitative, child sexual, exploitative, and abuse material on digital platforms poses serious challenges to child rights. Child sexual, exploitative, and abuse material on digital platforms poses serious challenges to child rights. Cyber governance and intermediary accountability. Now, what is this intermediary accountability? I'll repeat. Child sexual, exploitative, and abuse material on digital platforms poses serious challenges to child rights. What are the child rights? All the fundamental rights, huh? Exploitation, 21, exploitation article. 19 ma 18 ma ఇష్టమున్నా చెప్పండి ఇంకా 24 23 yes cyber rights child rights, cyber governance and intermediary accountability. Now what is this intermediary accountability? Who is responsible for that? People who shares and also social media platforms. Yes. Now discuss the adequacy of India's legal and institutional framework in addressing this issue. Discuss the adequacy of India's legal and institutional framework in addressing this issue. Suggest measures to strengthen online child protection. Don't worry, I will just forward the same question in the group also. Mari ippudu enduku raapestunnaru ante to understand what is the question. Question chadamanle em ardhamaindi adagu. What will you write? First, mention about what is child sexual, exploitative and abuse material. Then next, what will you write? Regarding India's just legal and the institutional framework, what the government has been brought, what are the policies have been there. Then next, what will you write? You will give some suggestions. Now, what suggestions will you give? That is my question. Meere cheppandi. As a civil servants, as a bureaucrats, idantha gaakunda normal ga మీ cousin ko, I mean not in your home, but basically if your cousins or someone else is going this trauma, what are the suggestions you give to the government to implement? Age restrictions. Sir, ida andi antunnanu, it is not child pornography. That is not a child is doing that. It is an adult who is sharing these all videos, right? Does you think a child will have that developed brain to share this all and to do those all things? Not always, right? So you can't tell to a child, you have to help the child. If I am keeping some age restriction, this is all done by 20 years plus age people, right? See, ఏం చెప్తారు మీకు? That's it. That means no, laws are not very good modified. Proper implementation. అర్థం కాదు మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి content. Clear? But see, Meta is also having this zero policy, that is zero abusive policy. Even though the hackers have been cracked this. For example, you're going to a bank. You will deposit some money. మీరు ఎందుకు బ్యాంక్ వెళ్తారు? For safety and security concerns. Like you cannot hide in your home the gold whatever you're having. Sometimes we go and deposit in the banks. That is a very secretly locked. Even though thieves are coming up and they're stealing the things. For example, your ATMs publicly. Yes. No. How I have to strengthen that? Okay. Next. Stop. Strong passwords. No, ma'am. అది అంటున్నాను మళ్ళీ. ఇది చేస్తుంది చైల్డ్ కాదు. దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ డన్ బై ఏ చైల్డ్. Who is doing this? The very well matured people after a 21 years, that is an adult creating these all issues. Okay. Now you can't tell to a child. You have to help the child. Bringing awareness, what is happening exactly in the social media accounts, that is good. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే start here, normal these answers with awareness. Strengthening the laws. ఇంతే కదా మీరు చేయాల్సింది. For an answer, you have to do this thing. Clear? Same Meta also said the same thing, sir. Meta has been said, Instagram and Facebook is following zero child abusive thing. Even though అది ఎలా వచ్చిందో మాకు తెలియట్లేదు అనే అన్నారు వాళ్ళు. Meta has said the same replay. It has given the same replay to the government. Okay, and this is not doing in the Meta platforms itself. It is shifting to Telegram. అంటే ఇంకొక థర్డ్ పార్టీకి మళ్ళీ వెళ్తుంది అది. Clear? Some other browsers also it is there. So, unused securities, dark web. Dark web should be controlled. That has to be come under your governments. Okay? So, can you see the way forward here? Can you see? See, ikkada nenu cheppadaniki em ledu. This is a societal perspective issue. You have to think. Clear? So, andukani in detail ga I have written on the board. What way forward? One is about your artificial intelligence thing, restriction of those things. The other thing is creating awareness. Third thing is implementation of laws and strengthening the laws. Clear? Those things you have to write. But in general, what is the issue? Will it stop? No. Who has to? Don't you think from schooling level these all things are there? No? They are there. Sir, laws cheppadam may not be sometimes possible because you don't understand. Rather than telling in a complicated way, they have to simplify in the books. That is accepted. Okay. Ippudu meeku some sections are there, you will understand. Why the child will understand? Introduce చేశారు కదా అలాంటి things. But again I'm telling, it is not a child doing. But okay, వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ criminals గా మారే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి you are telling you have to train them. But whatever అంటే now what will you suggest to the people who are already doing this? Who has to tag that? Obviously the governments. Governments should regulate a policy. Policies లేవు అంటే అవి కూడా ఉన్నాయి. Legal frameworks are also there. But still But still, what is happening in India? Crime rate has increased to the peaks that today India is standing first place. Our manitla first, obviously. Population first. Controlling this type of things last. First anakandi, last. What is the root cause? See, when you share this, you get some money. This have been become a kind of job to earn money. Social media is not only for this kind of things. Won't you learn in social media? Now I transferred a file. That is a social media platform, right? So that is not the thing, sir. Extremity is not the thing always.
Madam, it's not the extremity.
Employment, ఒకవేళ వాళ్ళకి ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, సి బయింగ్ సచ్ లార్జ్ సిస్టమ్స్ నీడ్ సమ్ మనీ, నో
Madam,
ఇల్లీగల్ వే ఆఫ్ ఎర్నింగ్ మనీ.
మీకు చెప్పింది ఓకే మేడం, ఏంటిది కోర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఫార్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బట్ ఇన్ మెటీరియల్ వి కెన్ అదొక హార్డ్ కాపీ తీసుకుని బట్ దీస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ వీడియోస్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ వి కాన్ సోషల్ మీడియా లేకపోతే వి కాన్.
Sir, in COVID, your complete education has been transferred for online. That is shared with your telegrams, shared in your social media platforms. I can't restrict it, right?
Human necessity is to live, right, madam? That time.
Why can't you change the human mindset, sir?
Cross-checking or double verification.
Cross-checking or double verification of videos, whatever is there. For example, identification of your artificial intelligence related or generated videos. Okay, those kind of things we can do. Let's not prolong it more. The thing is that this will never end. Until the human mind changes, this will never end. These are all illegal ways of earning money, not only with respect to child, with respect to women also. Same thing. Men abusive అని చెప్పకండి సార్, మళ్ళీ జెండర్ ఈక్వాలిటీ అని. Second, can you shift to the second article? What is the thing? Understood the first topic, have to write an answer also. Now, coming to the second article. Emergency gas curbs eased as LNG shipments normalize. What happened before? Now, what is the word normalization here again? Then related two articles unnai. One is see here. Now, go to your editorial page also. Something with respect to Strait of Hormuz he has given. What is that? One is with respect, one article is talking about emergency gas curbs eased as LNG shipments normalize. LNG. కింద ఇంకొక editorial ఇచ్చారు. Is given an editorial. What is that? Hormuz to home, India's resilience in uncertain times. And here he focused about what the Strait of Hormuz doing for us. Strait of Hormuz ఏం చేస్తుంది? Why was it in news?
Oil.
Frequently, oil imports. What kind of oil? Crude oil import. Inka? Okay, I'm not getting it, but somewhere he mentioned about LPG issue. Where we use LPG, what is LPG?
Liquefied petroleum gas.
Where we use that? What happened during this crisis? Increased? For domestic also? Okay. Rendu kalisi, let's discuss the articles. Because two are interlinked articles. One is talking about LNG and one is talking about LPG issue. why the LPG issue or LNG issue have been come, and why did the government normalize today? Whatever the restrictions have been there, what were the restrictions? Supply of cylinders to everki stop చేశారు? Restaurants, commercial buildings have been stopped. Commercial purposes కోసం cylinders అనేవి stop చేశారు. That has been lifted. But still they are maintaining the price. వీటన్నిటికీ రూట్ కాజ్ ఏంటి? బ్లాకేడ్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ హర్మోస్ అంతేనా? సరే, రూట్ కాజ్ వార్. ఆ వార్ వల్ల, వెస్ట్ ఏషియా కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ వల్ల ఇరాన్, ఇజ్రాయెల్, యూకే ఇష్యూ హ్యాస్ బిన్ హ్యాపెన్. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇస్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ దట్. యుఎస్ఏ, నేనేమన్నా, సారీ యుఎస్. ఓకే, ట్రంప్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి అయితే ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్గా వచ్చాడు, ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ ప్రెసిడెంటా, ప్రెసిడెంట్గా వచ్చాడు. వాట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ యుఎస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ అండ్ ఇండియాస్ ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్? బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్, holding both equal powers? No? Yes? No? పాలిటీలో నేర్చుకున్నారు కదా. ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారు? క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్, దోశలు వేస్తున్నా. యుఎస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ కి ఇండియా ప్రెసిడెంట్ కి డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఏంటి పోనీ? ఎలక్టెడా? అది ఓకే, ఇంకేం లేవా? వదిలేద్దామంటారా? గుర్తు రావట్లేదా? presidential form, here it is parliamentary form of government system. Sorry, I'll leave that. I'll not go to the core polity. Okay, I'll stop. మనం గుర్తుండవు కదా, మనం చదువుకోం కదా. కదా, అవునా కాదా? కాదా, చదివావా? చెప్పమని. సరే వద్దులేండి, I'll not make you to go down. Okay, fine. What I'm talking about? Okay, ట్రంప్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి అయితే వచ్చాడు, వార్స్ ని తీసుకొచ్చాడు, టారిఫ్స్ ని తీసుకొచ్చాడు, వాట్ నాట్. హీ హెస్ డిస్ట్రాయిడ్ ది ఎంటైర్ జియో పాలిటిక్స్. ఇంటర్నల్ రిలేషన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ స్టడీడ్ కదా, క్లియర్. బట్ ఈజ్ యూఎస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆర్ నాట్? రీసెంట్లీ it has been celebrated its 250 years of independence. Now what have been done in those 250 years and how it impacted India? Chala manchi articles it has been come in newspapers. Did you study? There's something called Indian diplomacy. What is Indian diplomacy? International relations IR. చెప్పారు సార్, చెప్పలేదా? విన్నారు కదా క్లాసెస్. డిప్లొమసీ అంటే ఏంటి? దట్ టు ఇండియన్ డిప్లొమసీ. వాట్ ఈస్ సాఫ్ట్ పవర్? నిన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్ అనుకుంటా కదా దీని మీదే. ఓకే, సారీ. సరే, actions, diplomatic actions. Okay, sorry, the same thing. Let's talk here itself also. LNG, LPG crisis వచ్చింది because of war. What did India do? Strait of Hormuz నుంచి transshipment రావట్లేదని చెప్పేసి did it stop supplying fuel to us? But instead what did it do? It has been created diplomacy between other countries. Okay, yes or no? From Russia nuncho, US nuncho, ekkada nuncho, the fuel has been come. Okay, now think, what did it make? What is the impact created by all these things to India? And also think, if India is not having a good diplomacy with US, if it is not having with Russia, Russia is always a best friend to India, that is sure. But if at all, it is not having all these resources. అసలు యూఎస్ లోనే రిసోర్సెస్ లేవనుకుందాం పోనీ, రష్యా ఇస్ నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ రిసోర్సెస్. లెట్స్ థింక్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్. వాట్ విల్ ఇండియా డూ అండ్ వాట్ కెన్ ఇండియా డూ? దట్ ఈస్ మై క్వశ్చన్. Somewhere the oil is there, it has been asked and it has been given to us, it has been supplied with a high cost. Inflation has been increased. That is one of the impact. But now what is the question I am asking is, though these resources are not available in some of the other countries, what could have been done by India? Renewable energy. India is producing its renewable energy resources. That is good. Okay, fine. But can it supply to all the families of India? Some billions of population? Yes. మొత్తానికి నాకు ఫ్యూయల్ కావాలి. I want fuel. What will I do? No where the resources are there. This is extreme again. Resources will be present. But అసలు resources లేకపోతే what could have India done? See, when COVID has been come in a situation, there is no vaccine. What did India do? Quickly it has been developed a vaccine and it has been transported to all other countries. The same way, same situation, imagine. See, your daily current affairs is all about imagination and how best you can give an answer as a bureaucrat. Issues వస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. Current events అంటేనే issues. ఈ ఇష్యూ అక్కడ వచ్చింది, ఈ ఇష్యూ ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. That all things we have to interlink and write. Today, my question is the same. In 2019, during COVID, there was no vaccine. Clear? But India went for development of vaccine and had supplied to whole world. The same thing, if this crisis have been come, like the crisis have been come, there are no resources available in the world. What can India do is my question. అదే అంటున్నాను సార్. అసలు ఇంపోర్ట్ నేను అదే అంటున్నాను. డిప్లొమసీ ఈజ్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ది ట్రేడ్ ఇన్ ఎ గుడ్ మేనర్ అండ్ గెట్టింగ్ సమ్ థింగ్స్. నౌ ద క్రైసిస్ హావ్ బీన్ కమ్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్. West Asia conflict has not only impacted India. Throughout the world, it has been created an impact. Now my question is, if you, that is US, UK, Japan, or whatever the country you take, like same COVID ఎలా అయితే వచ్చిందో అలానే ఆలోచించండి. కోవిడ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు many countries have been come forward to start a vaccine. But who has been imported to all other countries? Vaccine diplomacy has been started since then, right? Okay, it is India. The same thing I'm asking. Natural resources are there at some part and that is why India is importing today. Okay, import start చేసుకుంది okay. కానీ అక్కడ క్రైసిస్ అనేది వచ్చింది కదా. Now I am cutting you. You cannot come to me. I cannot come to you. Okay. Now, in this resources, in this classroom, these people are not having fuel with them. Okay, energy with them. Only అంటే ఎవరికి వాళ్ళు ఇండివిజువల్ గా ఉన్నారు. Everyone is having their individual things. Now, what should India do? That is my question. Importing is cut off kada. Strait of Hormuz has been closed. You cannot come here. I cannot go there. What else India can do? That is only my question. ఇప్పుడు అంత సడన్ గా యూజ్ చేసుకోలేము కదా. రిజర్వ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, రిజర్వ్స్ విల్ బి డిప్లీటెడ్. దెన్ ఆల్ ది ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఐమ్ ఆస్కింగ్. ఓకే, దిస్ సంథింగ్ కాల్డ్ సిఎన్జి. సిఎన్జి నా కాదు, పిఎన్జి. వాట్ ఇస్ పిఎన్జి? పైప్డ్ న్యాచురల్ గ్యాస్. ఓకే, వాటర్ సోర్స్ అనేది స్టాప్ అయింది కానీ దేర్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ పైప్స్. కెన్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్యూయల్ టు మీ? ఐ విల్ ఏమంటారు దాని ఫర్ అ సర్కాసం, ఐ విల్ ట్యాప్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను. ఫ్రమ్ ద ట్యాప్ ద ఆయిల్ ఇస్ కమింగ్. అక్కడ ఉంది సార్, దేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్. ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ స్ట్రైట్ ఆఫ్ హార్మోస్ ఇస్ బ్లాక్డ్. వద్దా? సరే, పోనీ ఇండియా ఏం చేస్తారో మాట్లాడుకుందాం. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ వాట్ ఇండియా కెన్ డూ. ఎడిటోరియల్లో అదే ఇచ్చారు. ఎడిటోరియల్లో హీ వాస్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ పిఎన్జి. వాట్ ఇస్ పిఎన్జి వాస్ పైప్డ్ న్యాచురల్ గ్యాస్. వాట్ ఇస్ ఎల్పిజి? వాట్ ఇస్ ఎల్ఎన్జి? liquefied petroleum gas, liquefied natural gas. Now I am going for PNG. What is this PNG? Though Strait of Hormuz is blocked, I have talked with some other countries, that is diplomacy. I have used my soft power and I have got fuel from other countries. One point I have done. Okay, second point, what is the editorial telling is that instead of doing all this, India should be ready to fight those issues, to fight those measures, to fight those conflicts. ఓకే, అది ఎలా రెడీగా ఉండాలి అనేసి ఇంకొక he has given one statement. Strategic reserves is one of the thing. Okay, but strategic reserves kuda అయిపోయినాయి. Again, he is telling use diplomatic talks. See, one thing is sure, India cannot produce excess amount of fuel which can be supplied to all the people. Okay, simple ga nenu adiganu kani, but the entire editorial what he is focusing is about the diplomatic power, how we tackled. Okay, and immediately how we got, though the prices are increased, that is sure, but still then India has been managed. Domestic fuel supply ikkada agipoledu kada. Did it stop anywhere? No. Why? Because somewhere I'm collecting the fuel. The talks between you and me have been done. Okay, and even our time lo US has been sanctions తీసేసింది. If you know, when I'm buying oil from Russia, it has been given me sanctions. But in this crisis, US has been took off the sanctions. Are you aware of this? Now, and the editorial is also highlighting about PNG, that is piped natural gas. What is PNG? Supplying of natural gas through your pipelines. Okay, now where is this PNG located in India? That we have to question. Ekkada nunchi state of Hormuz nunchi raaledu kada. Now where it is located? Now this PNG is located in your Krishna Godavari basin. Okay, and also at your Assam basin. These two regions are where you can see, look at it here, piped natural gas. Okay, fine. This is the editorial talking about. Aithe editorial ardhamayindi kada. Now this is idoka point. Okay, now for exam what is important? For preliminary ki ఏది important అంటే comparison between LNG and LPG. Okay, many questions will come with respect to these gases itself. One is your LPG and one is your LNG. Ante kakunda, can you see here something called SCNG? CNG చూసి ఉంటాము, కానీ SCNG అంటే ఏంటి? Anyone? What is CNG? Compressed natural gas. What is SCNG? కొత్తగా వచ్చింది ఫీచర్, నేను కూడా ఈరోజే చూసిన అందుకని. No one? Systematically compressed natural gas. What systematical thing you are doing? Simple. If a car is having engines or the cylinders అనుకుందాం, 4 cylinders ఉంటే ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ 3 4 అని ఉంటాయి కదా ఇంజన్స్, 1 2 3 4, filling those cylinders systematically. It may not be in a sequence, it may be out of sequence also. నేను ఈరోజు కొత్త నేర్చుకున్నాను, అర్థం కాలేదా? ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఏ కార్ ఇస్ హ్యావింగ్ ఇంజన్స్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ కాల్ సిలిండర్స్ అనుకుందాం, డీజిల్ ఫిల్లింగ్ లాగా సిఎన్జి ఫిల్లింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. ఇఫ్ యూ థింక్ లైక్ దట్, SC is here standing for sequential or systematic. ఈ సిస్టమాటిక్ సీక్వెన్షియల్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే 4 cylinders ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో కార్లో, ఫస్ట్ 1 cylinder is filled up, second cylinder is filled up, third cylinder is filled up, fourth cylinder is filled up, and these sequence need not to be in a sequence. It can be 1 4 3 2 or 1 3 4 2, like that also. జస్ట్ SCNG అంటే ఏంటంట అంటే ఆ కార్ మోడల్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో సిస్టమాటిక్ గా సిఎన్జిని ఫిల్అప్ చేయడం అంట, one after the other, sequential model, but need not to be 1 2 3 4. డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఏంటి అని నేను కూడా చూసాను, మేబీ అనుకుంటా, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ దట్, బట్ నేను అర్థం చేసుకుంది మాత్రం ఇంతే. నార్మల్ సిఎన్జికి దీనికి ఇంకా ఏంటి ఇష్యూ అంటే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే ఇది ఇంకా కంప్రెస్ చేస్తారంట, more compression will be available anta for this. I don't know what feature is that, but నేను కూడా అన్ని natural gases వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి I just had a look. Okay, once if you are interested, see about that SCNG. Now for preliminary, what is important is talking about the differences between LNG and LPG. Okay, crisis గురించి అందరికీ తెలుసు. What India has been done that everyone know. State of Hormuz block అయినా సరే How did it transport? How did it take oil from other? Now, what is important for your examination point is one, state of Hormuz, because recent గా question Persian Gulf గురించి ఇచ్చాడు, and also state of Hormuz గురించి కూడా ఇచ్చాడు ప్రిలిమినరీలో. పర్షియన్ గల్ఫ్ గురించి అయితే వచ్చింది, దట్ ఐఎమ్ షూర్. స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ హార్మోస్ గురించి కూడా ఇచ్చాడు, పర్షియన్ గల్ఫ్ గురించి కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. కెన్ యూ సీ ద డిఫరెన్సెస్? ఓకే, ఎల్పిజికి ఎల్ఎన్జికి డిఫరెన్సెస్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ హార్మోస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఏంటి అనేది కూడా డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. క్లియర్? నౌ వాట్ ఎల్పిజి ఇస్ మేడప్ ఆఫ్? Where do we use LPG? Not only domestic, for food, okay, cooking, cylinders, fine. Cylinder based vehicles kuda untayi, dantlono we'll use. Okay, what is LPG made up of? No, what it is made up of? Propane and butane. Okay, cylinder అయిపోతుందా లేదా అని how will you see? ముట్టుకోకుండా, by looking, not by touching. Color of flame, what is the highest color of flame? Blue in nature. So your propane and butane when combined gives a blue color flame. That is one of the characteristic feature. Now here liquefied petroleum gas is made up of propane and butane, but liquefied natural gas, దీనికి డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్, natural gas, are you able to find in nature? Yes. Now what is it made up of? That is made up of methane. Where is this methane coming from? Biomass. What is biomass? Dry weight of living organisms is called your biomass. This biomass you are converting into methane. That is why you are calling this as liquefied natural gas, and that is made up of butane and propane, that you are calling as your LPG. This is one of the difference. Next difference ఏముంది? అదే sources ఇచ్చాడు. Liquefied natural gas or else your compressed natural gas, there we are using the process called liquefaction. What is this liquefaction? Liquefaction అంటే ఏంటి? Something you are converting gas nunchi, these are all gases, this you are converting into liquid, that is liquefaction, fine. But where you are storing it, ఈ రెండింటికి డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఇంకెక్కడ వస్తుంది అంటే, వన్ ఇస్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు స్టోరేజ్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, పెట్రోలియం గ్యాస్ వై యూ ఆర్ స్టోరింగ్ ఇన్ సిలిండర్స్ ఇట్సెల్ఫ్? highly evaporative in nature, it will spread easily. But coming to this LNG, it is a little spreadable because these are stored at your -196 point duration lo store chestaru annattu. Okay, -200 gaani -190 gaani by solidification అవ్వదు, but just a gas ni it is converting into liquid stage, and that liquid is not spreading fastly because as it is very cool in nature. Okay, your liquefied natural gas, whichever is there, that is methane gas, it is not spreading easily because it is not spreading quickly because I am storing that gas at your very cooling point. Okay, evaporation అనేది heat guna material quick ga avutada, cool guna material ekkuva avutada? Whichever is in the form of heat or very high temperature, that evaporates. Now what is quickly evaporatable? LPG rather than your LNG. Why? You understood. Clear? ఇంకేం అడుగుతాడు if at all he wants to ask us? Yeah, the same. Here LNG you are converting into PNG and CNG. How I am converting into CNG? That is I am compressing it. How I am compressing? By cooling, liquefaction. Okay, or else by using pressure. Temperature తోనూ కన్వర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, టెంపరేచర్ తోనూ కంప్రెస్ చేయొచ్చు. Not only that, with respect to pressurization also. Got? Done? These points you have to remember for your exam. Now it may be easy to you. For sure, you will face difficulties in your exam. అసలు దేంతో ప్రిపేర్ చేశాడంటేనే గుర్తుండదు. Propane, butane బదులు you will think of someone else. క్లియర్? దాని క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఫీచర్స్ కూడా గుర్తుండవు కొన్నిసార్లు. Now you may feel easy. Okay, but in the exam, definitely confusion starts. Clear? This is important again. Now, who supplies LNG to your India? LNG we are importing, right? This is recent statistics given by the government. Which countries are importing? At first place, it is here, Qatar. Second place, UAE. Third place is US. 1, 2, 3 is fine. First is here, Qatar. Second, UAE. Third is here, US. While writing answers, please mention this for getting good marks. Okay, India imports most of its crude oil. For example, LPG and LNG. And the places where it is standing, అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకుంటుంది అన్నప్పుడు write this. In preliminary also, he will be asking. First place to answer your Qatar, second UAE, third US. Or else, మీరు US గురించి రాసేటప్పుడు కానీ, ఇండియా US రిలేషన్స్ రాసేటప్పుడైనా సరే, ఇండియా ఖతార్, ఇండియా UAE రిలేషన్స్ రాసేటప్పుడైనా సరే, you can mention this point. Always talk in the terms of statistics. Okay, even if India US గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడైనా సరే, if it is having any trade deficit, speak about that. India China, any trade deficit, write in those challenges. అర్థమైందా? Okay. Next, let's talk about Strait of Hormuz. Can you see the Strait of Hormuz? Where it is located? Suffocating unda? A little. No? When I need to ఆ రోజు ఏదో నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా, సమ్ ప్లేస్ గుర్తుందా? చెప్పు. ఇరాన్, ఇరాక్, నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడనే చెప్తున్నట్టుందిగా, దాని చుట్టూ ఉంది కాబట్టి అంతేనా? Persian Gulf is located near your Strait of Hormuz. The same somewhere here it is located. Now let's stick to Strait of Hormuz. Again, question అడిగితే ఎలా అడుగుతాడు? Surrounding areas, surrounding countries. Preliminary లో అడగాలి అనుకుంటే start. One is here, come from that side. Strait of Hormuz is bordered by which of the following countries is my question. What are the countries? Strait of Hormuz is here. It is touching your Iran. It is touching your Iraq. It is touching your Kuwait. No, where it is touching? This Strait of Hormuz gada. That is Persian Gulf, sir. This is Strait of Hormuz, sir. Is it touching Iran? Yes, where?
Iran.
It's not touching gada. Strait of Hormuz ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఎలా టచ్ అవుతుంది? సారీ, ఇరాక్, నాట్ ఇరాన్, ఇరాక్. నో ఆర్ ఎస్? షూర్? క్రైసిస్ వచ్చింది ఇరాక్ వల్ల, ఇరాన్ వల్ల. ఇరాన్ has been stopped, right? Because why? It is near to your Iran. So Iraq is not your bordering country. Persian Gulf ki bordering country. ఆర్ఎస్ నేర్చుకుంది ఇదే కదా, మనం నేర్చుకుంది ఇది. Okay, let's see. Clear is the image. Your Strait of Hormuz is here. Fix this point. Now, e point ni touch chese points evi Iran, yeah, Oman, UAE, here Dubai also. Clear? Persian Gulf ni touch chese points evi. This is your Persian Gulf. Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Oman. Is Oman touching? కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేస్తున్నా కదా. సరే, ఫస్ట్ పర్షియన్ గల్ఫ్ నేర్చుకుందాం. పర్షియన్ గల్ఫ్ ఇస్ హియర్. దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ పర్షియన్ గల్ఫ్. ఐఎమ్ క్లోజింగ్ ఇట్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద పాయింట్స్ ఇస్ టచింగ్, ఇరాన్, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE. It is stopped here. ఇంకెలాంటి టచింగ్ పాయింట్స్ లేవు అవునా వన్స్ అగైన్ పర్షియన్ గల్ఫ్ బార్డరింగ్ కంట్రీస్ ఇరాన్ ఇరాక్ come from that side. Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE and also here Iran. Done. Once again. చూడకుండా చెప్పండి. Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Iran. Clear? మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి. Persian Gulf bordering countries. Everyone. Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE and Iran. Got the circle? Clear? Will you write when asked about the Persian Gulf? Now, let's talk about Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz is bordered by Persian Gulf. Write Persian Gulf also. Okay. Iran, Persian Gulf, UAE, Oman. And this side is your Gulf of Oman. Connecting to your Arabian Sea side. ఇంకో కంట్రీ మిస్ అయిందా బహ్రెయిన్ అవి ఇవి మిస్ అయినట్టున్నాయి చిన్న కంట్రీస్ కాబట్టి పర్షియన్ గల్ఫ్ how it is touching here Oman but the Persian Gulf doesn't touch Oman. Wait. Strait of Hormuz is touching the Persian Gulf is touching here Iraq, Iran, Saudi Arabia, UAE, yes, Oman also. Sorry. Can you see this? Okay, sorry, Malli. Sorry for that. Persian Gulf. Can you see the Persian Gulf? It is touching Iran, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, Iraq, Kuwait. Intena? Sorry. Starting from up, Persian Gulf is touching your Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Iran. Oman Guda. Okay, one is your Iraq, one is Kuwait, one is your Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain adindi, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, next UAE, Iran and Oman. Done? Okay, next here Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz is touching here Iran, UAE, Oman. Right? And also bordering to your inkendi Persian Gulf. Will you remember? Sure? Done. I'll stop discussing after this article. అదొకసారి ఇంకేమైనా మర్చిపోయి ఉంటే మీరు ఈ ఏమంటారు పీడిఎఫ్లో చూసేసుకోండి బికాస్ ఇట్స్ సఫకేటింగ్ బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ దట్ ఈస్ వై ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ దిస్ Asiatic lions. If you see your 2026 recent preliminary paper with respect to environmental అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏంటి అంటే వన్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు స్పీషీస్ అమర్ ఫాల్కన్స్ గురించి సమ్ అదర్ స్పీషీస్ మెన్షన్ చేసి ఇచ్చాడు Then the other things you have been mentioned about some conservations with respect to wildlife. Okay, species important kabatti. Already cheetahs gurinchi characteristic differences అడిగాడు. When cheetah translocation have been happened, he asked about that. And also national parks మీద ఎక్కువ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేశాడు. ఈ ఆర్టికల్లో స్పీషీస్ కవర్ అయింది, నేషనల్ పార్క్ కూడా కవర్ అయింది. సో లెట్స్ టాక్ అబౌట్ దోస్ టూ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్. One is the article is talking about Asiatic lions. The other he is talking about Gir National Park. Okay, ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారో ఒకసారి బ్రీఫ్ గా చూద్దాము. So the article is talking about, one is with respect to Asiatic lions and Gir National Park. What is correlation between these two? Yes, Gir National Park, which is located near Gujarat, is the only home place for Asiatic lions. Okay, today what is the government is doing is that it wants to create second home. Why second home? First home. Okay. In second home, won't you think there will be no natural vegetation? Livelihood. Their food. Okay, the editorial is focusing on correct. Okay, so what is the article talking is conservation success అనేది we have done. From very few dozens to today, the census is, Asiatic lion census is 891. We have come to that point. But conservation security is lacking. Conservation success is there, conservation security is lacking. What is the success? India has brought its Project Lion. Okay, and it has been conservated at one place. What is conservation? Protecting it and making double. Population increase is your conservation. How we are conserving is your thing. But today, conservation is successful. Okay, but security is not there. For example, here the overcrowded has been done. Okay, in this class, I am putting 200 people, like 200 lions. Natural resources got depleted. That is, their food has been got depleted. Okay, now they are in search of some other place. They want to go. Clear? Now, I will take some lions and keep in that new building. Okay, here the resources will be sufficient. There also some resources will be sufficient. But, which place I have to shift? Which place I have to shift? Why Gir National Park? Gir National Park is only home to Asiatic lions. This is not an extreme statement, remember, only home. Okay, even in preliminary law, only ante, yes, it is correct. Why only Gir National Park? Where do lions live? They do like cold climate? No, some kind of arid climate. Gujarat is providing that. Mali complete aridity undagurdu. That is why not Rajasthan. Okay, semi-arid. So that is why Gujarat. Okay, and food, plenty of food should be also there for lions. Walking space, it should be there. Transportation, and transportation in the sense, lion transportation, not our major transportation, not like that. Lion has to roam randomly here and there. So that is why Gir National Park. The same, today, Supreme Court is asking to the government, you have done conservation success. So the security also. Cheetah's translocation was also the same problem. Now, lion's translocation is also becoming a problem. Where should I shift? Government gave two options to the Supreme Court. One is, I will shift to Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. And one more place is here, Kuno National Park. In Kuno National Park, what is the importance of Kuno National Park? What is the importance of Kuno National Park? No one? Already there, it is the first place where your cheetah's translocation has been done. Cheetahs ni తీసుకొచ్చినప్పుడు, cheetahs are they native to India? No, they were, but not now. That is why it's translocated. Where did I place them? In your Kuno National Park. Okay. Now today, government gave two options for the Supreme Court. I will either place in Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary or at your Kuno National Park. But there is one more thing. Bhadra National Park is near to your Gir National Park. That is again located in your Gujarat. Now, if any kind of disease or forest fire happens, what will happen? The entire species will get extinct. Only 891 species are there. I have to conserve them. Okay. But, pakka-pakkane bettin ankondi. When you are having a fever, if you are placed together or if you are staying with other person, there might be chances of spread of disease to other person also. The same way, if I am placing in Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, remember the places. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary and Gir National Park are located near Gujarat itself. Kuno National Park is located in your Madhya Pradesh. Recently, one of your preliminary question was about your Madhav National Park in your UPSC 2026. Clear? So, this is the issue happened today. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary ki shift cheyali anukunte, the problem is it is near to Gir National Park. If I want to shift to Kuno National Park, it is located in Madhya Pradesh, where already cheetahs were there. What will happen? Conflict between them two. What is the new place suggested? Supreme Court is asking to the government. Now, most important thing for your exam is the question about Asiatic lions. Okay, దీని కన్జర్వేషన్ స్టేటస్ అనేది మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎగ్జామ్లో అడిగితే he will not ask these all things. He will ask about Asiatic lions and also about Gir National Park and Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. In this also the most important here is about the conservation status. This is all I have given. Please have a look. Kani naku idi important. In all the things, it has been given the highest protection. In Wildlife Protection Act, Schedule 1, highest protection. In CITES, it is Appendix 1, highest protection. Okay. In your IUCN list, it is placed in your vulnerable. Vulnerable ante about to extinct on. Clear? So, this is what I want you to know. In CITES, it is placed under your Appendix 1. In your Wildlife Protection Act, it is placed under Schedule 1. In your IUCN list, it is placed under your vulnerable criteria. Clear? Now, talking about Gir National Park and Bhadra National Park. Sorry, Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. Wildlife Sanctuary ki National Park ki differences enti? Let's learn in environment. Okay? This is your Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. I know you're not able to see, but this is your Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. Deen kinde, here it is your Gir National Park. Somewhere located below. If I want to shift here to here, the translocation will be there. The transportation will be there. If any disease or spread of wildfires will be there, they cannot move here and there. So complete species may come into an extinction. Now, today the Supreme Court is asking, please do arrange a second home for lions. Clear? Okay, this is about your Gir National Park and Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. Have a look. The location important. Mostly Gujarat. Ante ekku adige chance em undadu about Gir National Park, but Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary gurinchi matram adigochu. Gir is already known. He will ask which are the places unknown to us. Clear? Will you see this? I think there are other two articles also, but I don't know. Will you listen or not? Chala, నాకు కూడా అదే అనిపించింది because it's so suffocating. One is about citizenship. Okay, citizenship గురించి ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చుకున్నారు కదా in polity. For All people, all batch. Citizenship comes under which articles? At least say this, I'll leave. 5 to 11. Okay. How you will prove you as a citizen to India? Aadhaar card, asset, yes. Okay. Let's consider Aadhaar card. Inka, vote ready? Birth certificate, residential certificate, Inka, passport, visa, epic card ante voter ID, electoral card, Inka, PAN card, yes. These are all is not proving your citizenship. If you're having your electoral ID, birth certificate, residential certificate, Aadhaar, whatnot, anything is not proof of citizenship. That is what now recent issue has been happened. Your Ministry of External Affairs has been told that your passport is just a travel document. Your Aadhaar is showing your proof. It's not showing you belong to citizen of India. What is showing your details? Your residential place, that's it. Your residential certificate is showing where is your home present. Your birth certificate is showing where you're born. It is not showing you're born in India, it's showing other. But why it is not considered as proof of citizenship? Why? First. Sanjay Jappala. Aadhaar. Can I give to migrated people also? Yes. Will I say that, see, even the government itself has been told that sometimes whoever is coming to the verification, they may give Aadhaar to the migrated people also, immigrated people also without knowing. Such mistakes are human errors, so it can be given. Government itself has been told that. Coming to your passport, there is one clause that whoever are citizens of India should only get the passport. But there is another clause itself. 6A law, Passport Act of 6A law, what will be there is only the persons who belongs to citizens of India, they will get the passport. But immediately under 6B, okay, under Passport Act, what it has been given is, whoever, if India wants to give in an urgency situation, passport can be granted to them. In the Passport Act itself it is given. Okay. On the account of public interest, if a citizen has to get passport, yes, then the government can supply passport to them. It is given an exception in the Passport Act. Now can I say that you belongs to India? Because it is exception clause on the kada. I may give to Nepali person, okay, out of public interest. So that Nepali person can I call as citizen of India? No. Your Aadhaar is not valid, your electoral ID is not valid, your passport is not valid, your birth certificate is not valid, anything is not valid, anything is not a proof. India doesn't have any proof of citizenship. On what basis I am considering you a citizen and how you are considering me a citizen? How? No? Recently there was just soil. That is, whoever are born in India, they are citizens of India. Okay. But now came an exceptional called Assam. Assam is part of India or out of India? Part of India. Assam bordering country is your Bangladesh. Assam bordering country is your Bangladesh. At the time of liberation war, what exactly happened is, and this is the cause of liberation war also, there was translocation of people from Assam to Bangladesh and Bangladesh to Assam. Most people have been come from Bangladesh to Assam. What happened in that point of time? Natural resources are getting depleted. Locals who have been staying since years, now those places have been occupied by these immigrants. Okay, that is why what happened? There comes Assam Accord. Now what is this Assam Accord? There is something called an identity card for these Assam local people. or else same like a birth certificate, let's consider. Whoever has been entered into Assam before 1875, they're all considered the citizens of India because they're locals of Assam. Okay, whoever is coming after, if their parents are located here, they're getting the citizenship. And in the meanwhile, one person has to be from the resident of India and other person should not be illegal migrant of India. Okay, తర్వాత ఏమైంది? Afterwards what happened is, ఈ just soil ఏదైతే ఉందో, that has been converted. Just soil means whoever is located, whoever is born only in India. Whoever is born in US has been given US citizenship. Whoever is born in India has been given Indian citizenship. Okay, but if I am migrated to US and if I have given birth there, now this child belongs to US or India? US. But government has changed its policy. If any of the parent is having Indian citizenship still, and that another parent, the spouse or partner of other parent is not illegal migrant, this child can take Indian citizenship. That I am calling as citizenship by descent. Clear? If 5 to 11 articles ఉన్నాయి, read that. I will not say, but I want to focus more on this. One is by birth, one is by descent, one is by registration and naturalization. By birth, as said, 26 January 1952, 1st July 1987. Whoever is born, they are citizens of India. Now, what did it do later? From who is born in 1st July to 1987 to December 3rd, 2004, I am calling them as citizens of India, that is child. One parent should be legal and one parent should not be illegal. Clear? Now, next, after 3rd December 2004, idemo at least one parent should be Indian, idemo the other parent should not be illegal. Clear? This is important for your examination. ఇది చాలా న్యూస్ లో వచ్చింది. Clear? In exam, if he wants to ask, this is a criteria he will be giving. Years same year, don't worry about the years. He will not be giving the years. But what is the criteria he will be asking? Descent, understood? Registration, naturalization is, if you are giving up voluntarily, you are giving up a citizenship who you belongs to, you can come, but you have to stay for 12 years mandatorily. And in the meanwhile, in the 12 months, 11 months, you have to serve to India. Clear? You have to serve to India. Done? This is how you categorize you into a citizen. By birth, by descent, by naturalization, by registration. You have to register at your one of the registration offices ఉంటాయి కదా, registration offices, you have to go there and ask. And there they will tell that 12 years వరకు you have to stay in India itself. And in the meanwhile, if you are staying in India for 12 years also, then itself also you can get the access. 5 to 11, what articles are associated, I have been given. Now, if I don't want to take Indian citizenship, I want to go out of India, I don't want Indian citizenship. Because Indian citizenship is only single citizenship. If you are part of other citizen, you cannot register here. How will my citizenship will be gone? Ella, I doesn't belong to an Indian. Giving up voluntarily, another citizenship of other country. Next, termination. How will be terminated? Not being for India in long years. Okay. Next, waging sedition ki em kaadu. Okavela waging war aithe they will remove. Next, if I am associated with any country, like your enemy countries, then I will be terminated. Next, by termination, by renunciation, that is taking citizenship of other countries. Okay, see, listen, today's paper is very good. It consists of many articles which is very useful for examination. Done. With respect to your LPG, LNG, ఆ crisis గురించి ఇచ్చారు, how India tackled, how it uses diplomacy and soft power, that is given. Read that editorial. And for preliminary, LPG, LNG is very important. CNG, PNG కూడా చూసుకోండి, the differences between all these four. Because if they want to ask about natural gases ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి, natural gases ఇవన్నీ కవర్ చేస్తారు. Please have a look at these all things, the four gases. One is done. Clear? State of Hormuz గురించి, Persian Gulf గురించి మళ్ళీ చూడండి ఒకసారి. Next, what was the first one we discussed about? Child sexual abuse, POCSO Act కానీ, Information Technology Act Section 69A కానీ, ఇవన్నీ మళ్ళీ important for your governance. Have a look at this. Okay, and also child related articles also. 23, 24 focus on that, 21 also. Next. అది అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్, ఏసియాటిక్ లాయన్స్. ఓకే, గిర్ నేషనల్ పార్క్ గురించి మోస్ట్లీ అడగడు, బట్ భద్రా వైల్డ్ లైఫ్ సాంచురీ గురించి మాత్రం అడిగే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. లుక్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఏసియాటిక్ లాయన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో భద్రా వైల్డ్ లైఫ్ సాంచురీ. నెక్స్ట్, ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ ఇస్ సిటిజన్షిప్. క్లియర్? ఇన్ యువర్ GS2, in your syllabus, citizenship is given. Is it given? Is it given? No. ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు సిటిజన్షిప్ అని, కానీ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? ఆర్టికల్ 511 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి పాలిటీ అయిపోయిందా? కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ కదా అది. GS2 మొత్తం చెప్పండి, ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి? పాలిటీ, గవర్నెన్స్, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ రిలేషన్స్, అంతేనా? అంతేనా? వేర్ ఇస్ యువర్ సిలబస్ కాపీస్? వెరీ గుడ్. ఫ్రమ్ టుమారో whoever is coming to the class, I want syllabus copies with them. దగ్గర ఉందా? సూపర్. ఓపెన్ ది GS2. What are GS2 topics? Governance, constitution mentioned is ఉంది. Okay, what is the first, దాని ఏమంటే చాప్టర్? ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ ఏంటి? సిటిజన్షిప్ అని ఎక్కడైనా ఉందా? లేదు కదా. అండ్ వై షుడ్ ఐ రీడ్ అబౌట్ సిటిజన్షిప్? కాదు. ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ ఏంటి? హిస్టారికల్ అండర్పిన్నింగ్స్, ఇంకా ఎవల్యూషన్, ఫీచర్స్, అమెండ్మెంట్స్, సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ ప్రొవిజన్స్, బేసిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్. ఈ సిటిజన్షిప్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? ఫీచర్స్. వాట్ ఫీచర్స్? We're looking the features of constitution. In that constitution, one of the feature is your citizenship. Clear? Done? Will you look at this and write the answer? For all batch students, rendu rasta annaru kada? Okay, one more question. Starting with polity. Then mentorship students ki kuda polity start chesanu. So, for all batch, I'm starting with polity itself. Write one more question. Examine the scope of fundamental rights. అందుకే ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్ గురించి ఇస్తున్నా. ఇట్ ఇస్ యూనియన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ తర్వాత రాద్దాం, ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్ గురించి ఫస్ట్ రాద్దాం. మరి ఆయన ఇచ్చింది నాకు పంపించండి ఒక్కసారి. పంపించారా? చూడలేదు శ్రీరామ్, సారీ. బట్ రైట్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇది అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్కి అసోసియేటెడ్ కాబట్టి ఇంక ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తున్నా. దిస్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్. అసోసియేటెడ్ ఆర్టికల్ కాబట్టి ఇస్తున్నా, వీలైతే రాయండి. ఎగ్జామిన్ ది స్కోప్ ఆఫ్ ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్. ఎగ్జామిన్ ది స్కోప్ ఆఫ్ ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్ ఇన్ లైట్ ఆఫ్ లేటెస్ట్ జడ్జ్మెంట్స్. In light of latest judgments of the Supreme Court in the light of latest judgments of the Supreme Court on right to privacy. On right to privacy. Basic ga, ఇది ఎప్పుడో అడిగారు 2021 or I don't remember, but today also right to privacy is a major issue. If you see many of the articles or the social issues whatever is happening in India, mostly related to privacy issues. Andukani connecting article kabatti I have given this. Okay? And from tomorrow, so malli first nunchi I'll start environment. Is that okay to you? But mostly my teaching will be like it will be conversation type. Edo నేను చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళేది కాదు. And environment is not about telling itself. It is you understanding, imagining all the things. Okay. And I want everyone to get the syllabus copies. Syllabus copy should be mandatorily present with you. Done?